Hey guys, I am so excited about this interactive journal. Okay, so every year in my class we use an interactive journal, and you can see it here on the screen. We take two journals, we tape them together, and we add tabs. Okay, so I made 4 weeks worth of my in-class journal for you to use here on the computer. So the way that this is going to work is you're going to open it up and you're going to see on slides 1 down to 9 different notebook covers. Okay, so choose your notebook cover, whichever one it is that you want, and delete the rest of them. How do you delete them? You can hit Control X and they will start to disappear. Okay, now keep one of them, fill in your name, okay, fill in your class period, and fill in your learning style preference. Okay, and we did that with our stations the first 3 days of school. Okay, please take notice that you can use these tabs to actually take you to the section. Okay, so any of them work. Now, the only, actually, and I'm going to go and change this. I haven't done it yet, but on each title page, you will be able to click without going into present mode. Okay, from anywhere else in the notebook, you're going to have to click present, and then you can use any of the other tabs. Okay, so it should all work for you regardless of where you're at, and it's very exciting. Okay, so you have to be in present mode for your tabs to work on any other page except for a title page. Okay, now, the way you get out of present mode quickly is just hit escape. Okay, now keep in mind, everything in this notebook is interactive. So what does that mean? Well, I'm going to go back to the bell ringer section. Okay, this is all going to be linked for you. So whenever we get started, you're going to be able to click on parts of speech and it's going to take you right to that page. Okay, here you're going to click on nouns and it's going to take you right to that page. Okay, now everything is interactive. So if we go back to this very first page, you have to watch this video. So you can just hit play and the video will start playing right there. And then it tells you to do something. So you have to move one of these. How are you feeling? Well, I'm not feeling very good. So you're going to move it into the box for me. Okay, at the end of all this, I'm going to grade these journals the same way I would in class. All right, so any of these pages, if it says to highlight the proper nouns, you're going to, let's see, a proper noun. Proper noun is capitalized, so I'm going to do like this, and I'm going to go up here to my little highlighter, and I'm going to highlight it in blue just like it. Oh, no, proper nouns are orange. Sorry. Highlighted orange just like it says. Okay, now if I highlighted the wrong word, I can go up here to this arrow and I can undo that. I can undo both of them since I messed up the first time. Okay, the boxes are clickable. You just click into it and you can type. If you accidentally move it across the page, just go hit undo or Control Z. Okay, now some of these pages, let's see, a lot of them are highlights. This is a drag and drop. Okay, so you just take it and you just move it wherever it is that it needs to go. Okay, again, same thing here. You just have to find the 4 corners and then you drag it over. It's very cool. Undo, undo, I messed up. Okay. Anywhere you see a box, you should be able to type. Oh, except for maybe there, so I'll go fix that. I'm glad I'm going through this with you. Okay, and again, drag and drops. Everything is interactive. Now, if you are in present mode, it is not interactive. Okay, but sometimes to use the tabs and things, you have to go to present mode to use the tabs, and then it comes back, and just hit escape, and then you're right back in interactive mode. Okay, now down here in the Grammar Keeper section, whenever we get into these weeks, okay, you do have a 5-minute timer for these activities because we would do a 5-minute write. Again, you can play it. Oh, well, I'm going to have to fix that because you need to be able to play it while you are typing. Okay, so I'll figure that part out. Okay, but the timer is there. In the event that doesn't work, I'm sure you can put a timer on your watch or something along those lines, but I'm going to get that to work. Okay, some of these, it looks like this, like there's only one of them, okay, but if you move it, there's a whole bunch of them underneath it. Okay, I think that is everything for now, but I just wanted to kind of give you an overview of how this journal works, okay? Some of these lessons, I should probably go over this, some of these lessons in the bell ringer section, if you... Let's see, I meant to put it on all of them, and I will. I just haven't quite finished. But these right here, these lines, if you go to present mode and you click on it, it's going to take you to YouTube, and it'll be a lesson on... Sorry about that. But it'll be a lesson on whatever it is. You can just hit the X, and then it takes you right back to your presentation. Hit escape, and now it is interactive. Okay, so I think I covered everything. I hope you guys can appreciate this because it took a lot of time to put it together for you, but I'm really excited that we have something to work on that we would actually be doing in our classrooms. Okay, any questions? There might be mistakes. There might be things that don't work. It was a whole lot of like pre-building, so if I missed anything, we will add it as we go and we will figure it all out together. Okay, guys, oh, last thing, I'm sorry, before I go, last thing I want to show you is on your daily agendas, everything is color-coded. So your bell ringer is green because in your notebook, your bell ringers are green. Your shared reading is blue, in the tabs it's blue. It's a different color, but only because that bright blue you can't see. Grammar Keepers is pink. Grammar Keepers is pink. Okay, so it is color-coded for you, and I'm going to try to continue that throughout the year. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.